Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky and this is Banky Update. So right now guys, welcome. What I have for you today is Celia Exchange. It's also called Celia Mining. On this app, you can mine Celia token. Celia token. You can mine it. This token, I believe it will be around $1 or 0.6 to $0.7 when they launch it. When they will list it on crypto exchange, it will be worth around that amount. From I believe from 0.4 $0.4 to $1. It will be around that amount when they list it. So guys, if you have been mining, if you have not start mining this token before, start now and start mining. To mine it, this is what you are going to do. Go to Play Store and search for Celia mining. So this is it on Play Store. Go to Play Store and search for it. Install it. It has over 500,000 download already. So this is the app. This is everything. Build your favorite crypto exchange. Mine Celia token with a single click. Participate in weekly giveaway. In weekly giveaway, you can get USDT there weekly. You can get it there weekly. So like that. So that is it. This is the app. You can see people reviews on the app. There are great reviews concerning this app. So right now, what you are going to do after you download the app, click on sign up. You want to sit in traffic? So you have to click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you will click after you click on sign up. So when you click on this sign up, you go to click on sign up here. Click on sign up. So from here, you will have to click enter your email address here. Input your email address here. Enter your password. Then here, you will have to input a referral code here. Then you are going to click on create account. So let me show you the referral code you are going to input here right now. So you are going to input this referral code there, so that you will get a bonus when you registered. Input this referral code here exactly as it is. Input it there. You will see it on the description of this video. Also, I will put it there. So input the referral code there, then click on create account. So that is how to create your account. To log in, this is how you're going to log in. Click on sign. So to log in, you have to input your email address and your password here. Then click on keep me sign in. Keep me sign in. If you don't remember your password again, you can click on forgot password. Then after you know your password and your email, just click on sign in. I'm going to do that now and sign in back to my account. So right now I have input it. Then I'm going to see I have logged in back to my account. So that is how to log in. Now to mine this token, this is what you are going to do. Click on here. Let me change this color to red. So click up here. Remember, this is the referral code you have to use. Remember it. This is it. In case you forget it, this is exactly like this. That is how you are going to input the referral code. So to start your mining, this is what you are going to do. Click up here. After you click there, then you can click on mine Celia. So click on mine Celia. Then it will show you if you should mine it will show you some theory option. Click on any one to start your mining. And you'll be earning your Celia token. That is how it is. Hello Celia, you have a strict score of 1 day. Mine for 4 days in a row to get rewarded with 1 Celia. So they are just giving you more options that you can mine for 4 days to get one reward of Celia also. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Celia is going to be listed very soon. They are going to list this token very soon. Let me show you their X account. Let's see what they have there on their X account, the information, so that you will know that this is a great project. They have a good followers, big followers. They have a big community, and they have a vision. Let's see. You can also check their white paper is in here also. You can check their white paper. You will see it down here. So let me go to their X account to show it to you. So this is their X account. In case you want to follow them, all you need to do is to just click on follow. Just click on follow to follow them. So if you want to be getting their information every day, you click on this also, so that you'll be getting their information every time they post. So I will click on that and click on all post. So anytime they drop anything on their X account, I'm going to get it very fast. So let's see some of their this thing. 2 minutes 2 hours ago, it says better drinking coffee from a Celia cup. Okay, so Celia is the most followed African crypto exchange on X. So something like that. So right now, also they are giving out airdrop. They are giving out airdrop. So on my next video, I'm going to show you how to do this their airdrop, how to get it. They want to share out $10,000 for this their airdrop. So I'm going to show it to you. $10,000. So from here you can check their everything about them. You can check everything about them to do their KYC, everything, their information. Don't forget they have this amount of followers, 400, almost 500,000 followers right now. So guys, if you are interested on this mining app, don't forget to take the opportunity and start mining Celia token as from today onward. Is going to be listed very soon, very soon, very soon. It's going to be listed. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now. See you soon on my next video. Thank you. Goodbye.